What if I told you that your family or business could become legally exempted from taxes for the rest of your life? Imagine how amazing it is to get complete access to the same methods that make the wealthy have such an easy lifestyle compared to most regular day-to-day business owners, families, and individuals. That's what we help you with at Liberty Aid Academy. Introducing our incredible trust courses, where we help business owners, families, millionaires looking to protect their assets, financial planners and CPAs, and everyday people like me to improve their lifestyle with legal, easy-to-use financial methods not widely known. The Trust is a non-profit with 501c3 status and doesn't have to report or fill out IRS tax forms ever. We will walk you through this unique system I came across after losing my business, home, bank accounts, and credit rating. But with the strategies in this trust, I came back stronger, putting me on top seemingly overnight. The trust will manage your finances in your lifetime or after, reduce tax liabilities, protect assets, and allows for other notable benefits like food stamps, free electricity, free health insurance, etc. The trust can hold cash and other assets like property, investments, business interests, life insurance policies, vehicles, and more. It can also have credit cards, bills, and anything else other corporation can have or do. And you can open this trust in a single day in 3 steps. Sign up and read and watch the modules. Fill out provided trust document. Schedule a bank appointment and open your trust. It's that simple. Available in a foundation course and a fully loaded mastery course. Enroll today to gain financial mastery.